Mercè Rodoreda, like Virginia Woolf and Doris Lessing, had no formal education, but she was clever, extremely ambitious. She wrote short stories, novels, short stories, also poetry, and most important of all, poetry in prose, like Baudelaire began in the 19th century. Mercè Rodoreda, born in Barcelona in 1908, her first important novel, Aloma, was published during the Civil War in 1937. And she went into exile and didn't reappear with a novel in Catalonia until 1962 with La Plaça del Diamant, a novel that has been translated into the most important Occidental Western languages. For instance, there are 3 different translations into English. The latest one is this one, in Diamond Square, published 2 or 3 years ago in New York. About the novel, when it appeared, think that Catalonia had no newspapers in Catalan, no radio stations, no television, was a slow success, but very important. And since then, it has been translated many times. But it's not only the only novel important by Mercè Rodoreda. Let's think is translated into English also, Mirall Trencat, Broken Mirror, or the latest one, published just 1 year before she died, Quanta Guerra, such a lot of war, let's say. For me, the best of her novels. Mercè Rodoreda died in Romanyà, in Girona. Is buried in Romanyà de la Selva, really small village next to Girona, in 1983. Among her admirers are Guillermo Cabrera Infante, the one writer with British citizenship, and Gabriel García Márquez. The Spanish translation of In Diamond Square, he said, the most beautiful novel published in Spain since the Civil War.
Julie came to the cake shop just to tell me they would be raffling coffee pots before they got to the lucky posy. She'd seen them, and they were lovely. An orange split in 2, showing its pips, painted on a white background. I didn't feel like going to the dance, or even going out, after I'd spent the whole day selling cakes, and my fingertips ached from tying all those gilded raffia knots and handles. And because I knew Julie could manage on as little as 3 hours sleep, and didn't mind whether she slept or not. But she insisted I went all the same, and that was me all over. It upset me when I was asked to do something and had to say no. I went in white from head to toe, starched dress and petticoat, shoes like splashes of milk, white paste earrings, 3 matching bangles, and a white handbag Julie said was oilskin, with a clasp like a golden seashell.
Catalan literature, everybody knows, is very strong in poetry, but not as much in prose. Still, the shadow of Rodoreda's works is present nowadays in Catalan prose writers. Mercè Rodoreda is a gift for Catalan literature.